Picture this: a beautiful ceramic bowl heaped with golden homemade noodles, each strand glistening under a glossy teriyaki sauce, tossed with perfectly browned ground turkey and vibrant vegetables. This is not takeout. This is ground turkey teriyaki stir fry with noodles made from absolute scratch. And once you make it, you'll never look at a white box the same way again. So let's begin with the noodles. Into your stand mixer bowl, add 2 cups of flour, a pinch of salt, and 3 eggs. Attach the dough hook and let it go. Italian farmwives once did this by hand for centuries. Now the machine does the work, but we still get that same beautiful golden dough. Let it knead for 5 minutes. You're building gluten here. Those protein strands give fresh pasta its signature chew. Wrap it up and let it rest for 30 minutes. A rested dough rolls out like a dream. Don't skip this. While it rests, make your teriyaki. Now, high heat in a large pan, add ground turkey and let it brown without stirring. That browning is the Maillard reaction, hundreds of flavor compounds creating a savory crust. In a saucepan, combine soy sauce, water, brown sugar, honey, garlic, and ginger. Bring to a simmer. Now, teri means luster in Japanese. That's signature shine. For modern, clingy texture, we add a cornstarch slurry. Whisk it in and watch it transform into a glossy, sticky glaze. Set aside. Dough's rested. Now roll it out. Run it through your pasta machine, starting thick and gradually moving to thinner settings. Fold and roll a few times to build strength, then keep going until it's thin and silky. Then lightly flour the sheet, roll it into a loose log, and slice it into beautiful fettuccine-width ribbons. Unfurl them. You just made noodles from scratch. Pour in that glossy teriyaki. Boil your fresh noodles for just 2 minutes. Reserve some starchy water, then add them to the pan. Toss everything. See how that sauce clings? A splash of pasta water makes it perfect. 1 bite, tender, chewy noodles, savory turkey, crunchy veggies, and that sweet, salty ginger sauce, wrapping it all together. Better than takeout, and you made it. This is Food Illustrated, and as always, enjoy the process of illustration on your plate.